The all-new 1,000 horsepower Lamborghini LB744 EV with 3 electric motors. This'll shock you a bit, but it's not new. When we talk about Lamborghini, you know it'll be something extraordinary. They always succeed in exceeding our expectations. Today, we'll review the Lamborghini LB744 EV. We'll talk about the engine, body design, and more. With the changing societal trends, the automobile industry is also changing fast with its technology and wants to stay caught up in all areas. So in this video, we'll tell you about the mind-blowing news Lamborghini dropped. Lamborghini's famous autocar industry will produce its first electric vehicle in 2024. We will discuss the car and its outstanding features together, so stay tuned till the end. So Lamborghini's new electric vehicle is here, fantastic and unbeatable. The market for electric cars is growing quickly, and companies are doing their best to keep up with the trend by introducing new electric vehicles. But before we start, just hit the subscribe button quickly and the like button too. Don't hesitate now, push the controls and we'll start with the video. Now that we're done with that, let's begin. For a supercar manufacturer to comply with the CO2 regulations as well as EU7 targets, the company has to find the balance between considerably reducing emissions and at the same time delivering cars with even more performance than the model before. Or else what difference will it make? So what Lamborghini did was reinvent itself and start the plans of hybridization for all 3 model lines and even give an outlook to the first fully electrified Lamborghini. Lamborghini's manager said that we don't want to be the first, we have to be the best in the world and create a standard. He said all 3 models will be electrified by the end of 2024. They're working on balancing out weight additions, the start of the use of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber. They are targeted to reduce 50% of CO2 emissions from 2025, contribute to going green, and take a small step towards saving nature. Now, whoever is making this brand a complete package while maintaining high quality and providing users with a classy experience going green will also make sure to add to the car's plus points. Now, a huge brand like Lamborghini would never lag behind anything, may it be their service or car build or anything. Lamborghini has excellent after-sales services, which are major in why customers are so attracted to the brand. Also, every car they make comes out as an absolutely beautiful piece, which is more than enough to get the attention of enthusiasts. Conditions these days have surely become severely fluctuating. Every car that is manufactured to run using electricity will contribute to decreasing pollution and global warming. Lamborghini introduced its first high-performance electrified vehicle. Now I will show you this fantastic drivetrain's main details and features and what makes it different from other hybrids. So are you ready? Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go! A legendary V12 meets a performance-oriented hybrid system, producing a maximum reactive, sharp, and emotional drivetrain. The new V12 has been rotated by 180 degrees, resulting in a completely new architecture which would blow your mind, especially if you are a car lover. So the baddie has a max power of 825 horsepower at 9,250 RPM. V12 has been revised completely with outstanding power output. Can you believe the specs of V12? Is it not amazing? The all-new Lamborghini has used a transversal 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox for the first time. Since the LB744's gearbox is lighter than the Hurricane and changes gears quicker, this gives a completely new architecture to the beast. This allows perfect weight distribution and also helps in incorporating an electric motor. This electric motor has 3 main functions and it starts the engine. It is also able to recharge the battery if needed. It's also delivering additional torque in the case of maximal acceleration. Now hold on for a moment, we just got word from YouTube that you guys still need to subscribe to us. So why not ensure that you're subscribed to us and have liked the video? Then we can easily move on with the video. Now that that's out of our way, let's return to what we were discussing. The V12 engine produces 813 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and weighs 37 pounds less than its predecessor. The Super Quattro V12 puts out 825 horsepower at 9,250 revs per minute because of a redesigned distribution system that supports a maximum rev range of 9,500 RPM, which is very much if we look at an EV. Specific power is 128 horsepower per liter. This engine has the highest output in the history of Lamborghini's V12 machines. It also has 3 oil-cooled electric motors with a power of 148 HP from a single motor. Motors are connected with a 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery, which makes them more efficient. It has regeneration through braking, or it can power up the battery by the kinetic energy through the brakes. It reduces carbon emissions by up to 20% more than any other model. The LB744 is Lamborghini's first high-performance electrified vehicle and will be unveiled soon as part of the celebrations for its 60th anniversary. It replaces the discontinued Aventador and honors the legacy of V12-powered supercars from Sant'Agata. Beyond the LB744, there are indications that Lamborghini will continue to make bold strategic moves. Lamborghini's LB744 is blessed with the best safety features. If we talk about brakes, carbon ceramic brakes will be standard equipment operating in conjunction with the electronic power steering system. They used carbon ceramic brakes because they are very lightweight and more durable than other ones used normally, meaning they do not heat up easily. Even if they did, the materials in the brakes would cool down the heat quickly. In addition, electric power steering will also come with an active safety system package, one of the best in the automobile industry, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, etc. The Lamborghini Aventador inspires this car's design. This car is the successor of the Aventador. Cyan inspires its front design, and the rear is inspired by Centenario, while the back borrows design cues from other Lamborghini models. The car has Y-shaped headlights and side vents that feed air to the mid-mounted engine. The taillights flank a pair of enormous hexagonal exhaust tips mounted just below the rear deck to free up space for a larger diffuser, which works in tandem with an active rear wing to provide stability at speed. In terms of interior, it is said to be like the Aventador, but it is a more spacious cabin than Aventador due to its transverse layout. The interior consists of space for storing luggage behind the seats, a center console, and a phone mount for the driver. The car has a race-inspired steering wheel, which gives the driver a racing car experience and features unique wing-shaped paddle shifters on the steering column to make it more aesthetic. Moreover, the car is all-wheel drive, but it works as a front-wheel drive EV when reversing. It is said that when you drive this car, you will feel the intensity in the driver's seat, and it focuses on being behind its competitors, right? So the Italian manufacturer is reaffirming the plan and expanding it into a green racing strategy. Now racing with electric cars is a new driving ambition. Lamborghini is the kind of car that most people can't afford. Their stiffness changes in a split second to both smooth the ride and sharpen handling according to driving conditions, and 2-stage springs from Canadian supplier Multimedia will help operate the system responsible for maximum downforce, combined with aerodynamic equipment in front of the body to cut through the air to give more smooth running of a car. In the era where electric vehicles are on the rise, the Lamborghini LB744 will surely stand out. Being a luxurious brand fan will surely invest in the same and make it rise in the electric vehicle's competitive market. This car has the potential to leave behind every other electric vehicle while it provides a classy, luxurious experience. So, you have seen that this beast is really awesome and very exciting. What is your favorite electric vehicle? Comment down. So that was it for today's video. We hope you liked what we had to serve, because if you did, why not hit that like button and subscribe to our channel?